groundbreaking discovery has just been made in Ethiopia, a fossil that could rewrite the story of humankind.
And the man behind the discovery? None other than Donald Johanson, an American paleoanthropologist who found a famous fossil named Lucy.
Sounds exciting, right? Stick with us as we explore how Johanson's discovery changed the way we understand human evolution.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face.
That curiosity only grew stronger. He chased the answers through school, studying anthropology at the University of Illinois, later snagging a PhD at the University of Chicago.
But Johanson wasn't your typical classroom guy. He specialized in paleoanthropology, basically hunting for ancient human ancestors through fossils. And instead of dusty books, he went to dusty deserts, exploring sites in Africa where the oldest traces of humanity were buried. Now, let's talk about the game changer in Johanson's career, Lucy. Picture this, Ethiopia in 1974. The sun is blazing, the ground is dusty, and Johanson is scanning the earth. When suddenly he spots a tiny piece of arm bone sticking out of the dirt.
What started as one fragment turned into a jackpot. Piece by piece, the team uncovered almost 40% of a skeleton. That was unheard of. Fossils that old usually come in crumbs, not in nearly half a body.
They called her Lucy, inspired by the Beatles' song Lucy in the Sky, with diamonds that was blasting in their camp. And here's the kicker. Lucy wasn't just any fossil. She was 3.2 million years old, one of the oldest and most complete hominid skeletons ever discovered at that time.
So why was Lucy such a big deal? Well, before she showed up, scientists believed that humans got big brains first, then started walking upright. But Lucy totally flipped that idea on its head.
Her bones told a different story. She clearly walked on two legs. That meant our ancestors were strutting around upright millions of years before their brains caught up. Talk about groundbreaking.
Lucy was an Australopithecus afarensis, just about 1.1 meters tall, with long arms, a small brain, and a mix of ape-like and human-like traits. Basically, she was the perfect puzzle piece, the missing link that helped scientists map out our evolutionary journey.
Lucy wasn't the end of Johanson's story. In 1981, he founded the Institute of Human Origins, a hub where scientists still explore the mysteries of how we came to be.
He also became an author and a storyteller, writing books like Lucy, The Beginnings of Humankind. Through them, he didn't just share fossils, he shared wonder, making science exciting for everyone, not just researchers in labs.
So Don Johanson didn't just stumble upon some bones, he uncovered a chapter of all humankind.
And Lucy, she's more than just a fossil. She's a symbol of our shared roots and how far we've come as a species.
The lucky